They're called Globi. Hi Rachel, Max Miller here from Tasting History. Back in early 2020, when I was furloughed from my job, I started the YouTube channel Tasting History, where I recreate dishes from all over the globe throughout history. From ancient Babylonian stew that's 4,000 years old, to medieval cheesecake, to George Washington's eggnog. But my favorite part of the show is that each recipe comes with a little history lesson. Food and history, my two favorite things, together in one. This is one of the tastiest and simplest recipes I have from ancient Rome. They're called Globi, and they date from around the year 200 BCE. They're essentially the predecessor to the modern-day cheesecake bite, although not quite as sweet. So what you'll need is some ricotta cheese, a bit of whole grain flour. Now I'm using spelt, which was a very popular flour in ancient Rome and has a wonderful nutty flavor, but you can really use any whole grain flour. And then some oil for frying. I'm using safflower oil, but any vegetable oil will work. And then a bit of honey and poppy seeds. So first take a heaping cup of the flour, a cup of the ricotta cheese, and mix them together until you get a nice, even dough. Now they didn't really use sugar in ancient Rome, except for medicinal purposes, but if you want something a little sweeter, go ahead and add a quarter cup of sugar for medicinal purposes. Then form the dough into balls. This is actually where the dish gets its name, globi. Globe meaning sphere or ball. And then take a few globi at a time and gently place them into the oil for about 60 to 90 seconds. We're looking for a nice golden brown. And you can move them around every once in a while just to make sure that they're getting fried quite evenly. And then once we have a nice golden brown, take them out of the oil and set them onto a wire rack over a paper towel to drain. Now whether small like our globi or full-size cheesecakes, cheesecakes were very popular in ancient Rome and Greece. Once all of your globi are fried, we're going to dip them in honey. Now if your honey is a little too firm, just pop it in the microwave for 10 seconds and it should be much easier to use. So just dip the globi into the honey, getting it nice and coated, and set it back over the paper towel. Then sprinkle the poppy seeds over the globi. You can actually coat them entirely if you'd like. It's completely up to you. It has been an honor sharing some history with you, and I hope that you make these delicious globi for you and your family very soon.
Eminem, Max Miller, wow, Double R loves you in that recipe. Globi are beautiful and so simple.